In this part, we want to discuss how to find an equation of the tangent line to the function at the given point. So part A, we have y equals to 2 times e to the x plus x at a point 0, 2. So x 0 is my x coordinate, 2 is my y coordinate. Speaking of slope, so we need to find a tangent line, right? So tangent line means when you hear the word tangent line, means we need slope. Slope means we need y prime. I need derivative. So we are going to take the derivative of the function. So e to the x, it doesn't matter how many times you take derivative of that, it's still e to the x. So using the constant rule, we don't need to take care of the 2. And then x is raised to the first power. So you bring the 1 down, and then x raised to 1 minus 1. So the derivative is e to the x plus x to the 0, which is 1, right? And other than that, x is a linear function. The slope of x is always 1. It's a straight line with slope equals to 1. So when x is equals to 0, at that point, we have y prime equals to 2 times e to the 0 plus 1. E to the 0 is not equal to 0. E to the 0 power is 1. So we have 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So this is my slope. So you have a slope, you have a point, then you need to use point slope form. Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 2 is equals to 3 times x minus 0. So you have y equals to 3x plus 2. So this is your tangent line. Equation of the tangent line to the function at 0, 2. And this one is the slope of the tangent line. So when you are looking for a slope, ask for the y prime. When you are looking for a point on the curve, ask the y. Okay, so in part B, let's change color for B. So in part B, we have y equals to x plus 2 divided by x, and then this is a point on the curve xy. So x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3. So y is equals to x is equals to x plus 2, x to the negative 1 power, right? And then y prime, the slope of x is 1, right? This is 1, so you bring the 1 down, x to the 1 minus 1, plus 2, you bring the negative 1 down, x to the negative 1 minus 1. So y prime is equals to 1 minus 2, x to the negative 2. So this is 1 minus 2 divided by x squared. So that is your y prime. What is x equals to? X is equals to 2. So when x is equals to 2, my slope is 1 minus 2 divided by 2 squared. So that is 1 minus 2 divided by 4, which is 1/2. So my slope is 1/2. This is my slope of the tangent line at the given point. What is the equation of the tangent line? Then you have to use y minus y1 equals to slope times x minus x1. And then you have y equals to 1/2 x minus 1 plus 3. So you have y equals to negative, oh, it's actually positive, 1/2 x plus 2. This is the equation of the tangent line to the function at the given point. Oh, by the way, this y equals to 1/2 x plus 2 has a name too. This is called slope-intercept form. Alright, that will be all in this part. I see you all in the next part.